Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we have here the Z55 Ultra smartwatch, and of course, this time we are going to check on its features. Okay, last time we do have a short unboxing of this wearable, and we check on its specs as well as the design. For the features, as you can see here, we already have a preview of its features, and of course, we do have here the display screen. Okay, let me show you the bezel or the black border, as you can see here. Okay, so we're going to check on the different menus and features of the Z55 Ultra smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding this wearable, just drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, we are ready now to check. Okay, so let's check the preloaded watch faces first. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At least 5 preloaded watch faces. On top, we have the shortcut to the notification function or message function. Okay, left and right, it's all about watch faces. You can swipe left and right to change the watch face. On the bottom part, we have the quick settings, as you can see here. Okay, we have the QR code, the menu style. Okay, let's check. We have at least, how many styles do we have? We have at least 5 menu style. Okay, pressing this button, we do have the sports. Pressing this button also, let's check. We also have the sports. Okay, pressing this one, we have the menus. Okay, that's for the Z55 Ultra. Okay, navigation buttons. Okay, on the bottom part, let's press again. So we have dialer, we have the phone book, heart rate, the blood oxygen, health rise cyclic, ECG. Okay, again, we have the sports, the camera, blood pressure. We also have the music control. Okay, what else? Reset, weather, looking for, sleep, menu style, message, stopwatch, QR code, Facebook, Twitter, and WhatsApp support. Okay, here in the more function, you do have the Siri, about section, set language. I think we already have a short screen display time. Okay, let's go back. Set language and set time. Backlight time, let's check. Okay, adjust the backlight time to 1 minute. Okay, go back time. Okay, for the sports, let's check. So we do have the running, bike riding, strength training, basketball, what else? Tennis, volleyball, and football. Let's check on the running here. So it monitors for the time, beats per minute, calories, distance, and steps. What else? And nothing else. Okay. Let's check our blood pressure or heart rate. Okay, the same with other, seems like it's similar to the 800 Ultra when it comes to menu design. Okay, blood pressure. Okay, weather, menu style, we have at least 5. Okay, ECG. Where's that menu style? I think we can also access it here, if I'm not mistaken. Okay. Okay, phone book dialer. So you do have a Bluetooth call. Camera, music. What else do we have to access? And we have the QR code. Facebook, Twitter. I guess that's it. Okay. So that's our Z55 Ultra Smartwatch. Next time we're going to check on the health functions, okay, offered in the smartwatch. We're going to check whether it provides an accurate result or not, just like this one. Okay, we're going to check on that, as well as the offered watch faces for the smartwatch. So I think it is using, let's check if what is the support app that the smartwatch is using. Okay, we do have an English. Okay. Okay, don't have a name here. I think we just have to search it in Google Play. So we'll know the support app for the smartwatch. Maybe it's HR Wi-Fi app. Okay. So let's see. Okay. So if you have any questions regarding the Z55 Ultra smartwatch, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your questions if you do have that time. Bye.